welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Haley. What's up? Hello. Thank you so much for clicking on my videos. So today we are going to be doing this nice matte maroon look. If you want to see how to get this look, then keep on watching this video. So let's get right into it. Alright guys, so I've already prepped and primed my eyelids. My eyebrows are already done. So we are going to, as I said in the intro, create a maroon type matte look. I've been really into the matte looks, so we're going to get that started. We are going to use the L'Oreal Los Angeles and ColourPop collab. This is the LA No Kill one. And then we're going to use the City Mini palette by Maybelline, and this is with Shayla. And then we're also using our Huda Beauty palette. So let's get into this. Let's get going. I'm ready to create this matte look. I really love matte looks. So we're going to first go in with a transition shade, and this is going to be from the Huda Beauty palette. There's my cat. And we're going to go in with Eden, and this is this nice peachy color, and we're just going to take it on a blending brush and pop her into the crease. We are going to go in with a darker shade, and I'm going to start off with the ColourPop, and this is in the shade Glitz, and this is their satin formula. And we're just going to pop that on, and then we're going to create an outer V for the outer third of our eye. My cat was just growling. And we're going to go in with this saffron color, and this color is what's really going to make our look pop and do its thing. Darken the outer crease, and so we're going to use the City Mini palette, and I'm going to go with this more brown tone, but it is a mix of kind of brown and maroon. So I'm going to bring that and pop it on the outer. Okay, so now we're going to go in with that first ColourPop collab with L'Oreal, and we're just going to take this on our finger and we're going to pop it on the inner third. Okay, so now I'm going to pop on some liner and some lashes. guys, so now that we have our eyes, our liner, and our lashes, we are going to do our face, and we're going to use a Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless, and this is in 112, but Angel went and got me Dutch Bros, so I'm thankful. I'm going to conceal. We have that. So I'm going to take the Wet n Wild contour palette, and this is a brand new one. So now we're gonna go in with lips. Alright guys, well that is the finished matte maroon look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun creating it. If you could like, subscribe, and comment, I would really appreciate it. Turn on the notification bell down below. It would mean a lot to me.